Hi there, it's Phil from parkerlinks.com. I hope you're all well today and enjoying your day. Now, I found a whole load of bush beans in a box in the house, and they were getting a little bit on the old side. So obviously first thought is, are they any good? Now, germination on them over the years is going to go down, and these packets are to the point where I'm thinking, well, actually, will they germinate at all? And am I just holding on to a whole load of packs of seeds when I don't need to? And I can get replacements for. But I thought, let's check them out. The only way to do so is basically put them in my raised bed in some soil and see what happens. And then from that decide, do I want to keep hold of the packs or not? So it's now been the best part of 2 weeks. It's about 12 days. And I'm just going to take you to my makeshift raised bed, that is. And I'll show you how things have gone so far. So come over to my makeshift raised bed. So first, midnight black turtle. I only had one bean left of that, so 100% success, and I can hopefully save some seeds from it if it grows. But look at that, the golden beans, nothing. 100% failure rate, bit of a difference. Blue Lake Bush 274, one. Miss, three. Oh no, tell a lie. Just down there, it's another one. So I've actually only missed out two. That's pretty good. And down here, this is the Bolotto bush or tongues of fire. And look at that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and probably would have been 6, but unfortunately that Black Beauty courgette's in the way. Dragon's tongue bush bean. 1, 2, 3. Missed 1, 4, 5, 6. That's pretty good. 6 out of 7. Let's come around here, shall we? Jade bush bean. Portulaca. Weird. 1, 2. So we've actually got 2 jade bush beans out of 4, I think. And down here we've got the Lima Henderson bush. Got 1, 2, 3, and I only put 3 in, so it's 100%. But look at these ones, one of each. They're nothing apart from over there. You've got one there, and that's actually now been tackled by a squash. But see, that's purple teepee bush and the Bolotto di Vigevano Nano or something like that. But look at those. That is really poor. So I'll have to try another row of them, but to have literally what, 8 on one side and 7 on the other and have nothing out of them apart from 1 each is very, very bad. So we'll give it another shot. We're putting some more jade bush beans as well, and also put in some more of these golden beans. Okay. But as I say, it is a makeshift raised bed, and you can probably tell, apart from the fact it's pink, doesn't really go with the area. But this here is a kids paddling pool. Found it on the side of the road, and I thought, well, I'll have it. Not to paddle in, obviously, but you can see why they got rid of it. Great big crack all the way around there. It's all snapped off. Again over there, and so it wouldn't have held really any water. I thought, you know what, I'll have that. Costs nothing. That's a raised bed. Beautiful. But that's quite an interesting experiment there, I thought, because yeah, having some of them be absolutely brilliant and then find out 3 of them absolutely, you know, 1 of them absolutely nothing at all, but 2 of them that had more than any others, that are right in the middle, that should get more sun than any of them, and pretty much nothing, just 1 from each. So it's about 15% success rate on each. So that is really, really poor. And those golden beans, nothing at all. That is ridiculous. So I'm going to put some more in anyway, see how it goes. I might sort of overdo it, put a few extra in there and see what happens. If nothing happens at all, then I think I'm going to have to look at getting some new replacements. Okay, so everyone, I hope you did enjoy this, and I do hope you like my raised bed. I'd love to hear any comments you've got on any of this, especially the bed. So everyone, you take care, enjoy your day in your garden. Goodbye and God bless. Bye-bye.